Guys, welcome to SkyTech TV, and today we are going to talk about the Samsung S23, the latest version in the Samsung lineup. The phone was released on 1st February 2023. This phone has been generating a lot of buzz, so I decided to take it for a spin and see how it stack up against the competition. So, First, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Samsung S23. The phone features a sleek and modern design with aluminum frame that supports tougher drops and scratch resistance, and a glass back. It feels great in the hand and has a good weight of about 168 grams. The glass back does make the phone a bit slippery, so we recommend using a case to protect it from any accidental drop. The phone comes with 3 different colors: the phantom black, cream, green, lavender, graphite, and lime. When it comes to display, the Samsung S23 boasts a 6.2-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 to 2400 pixels. The color are vibrant and the display is sharp and clear. The phone also has a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling through apps and websites incredibly smooth. The screen to body ratio is 83.3%, making the phone look almost bezel-less. The display also supports HDR10+, which means you can enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows in a high dynamic range. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Samsung S23 features a triple camera setup on the back, which includes a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel macro lens. The camera takes great photos with good detail and color accuracy. The ultra-wide lens is great for landscape shots, while the macro lens is perfect for getting up close and personal with your subject. The camera also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, which is great for capturing high quality footage. When it comes to performance, the Samsung S23 is powered by the latest Exynos 2100 chipset and comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 and 256 of storage. So the phone runs smoothly and is capable of handling even the most demanding apps and games. The phone has also 5G capabilities, which means you are able to take advantage of the latest high-speed networks. The phone runs on Android 12. Out of the bus box, the Samsung One U1 4.1 screen on top. When it comes to battery, the Samsung S23 comes with a 4500 mAh battery, which should last you a full day with moderate usage. The phone also supports fast charging, which means you can top up the battery quickly when you are running low. The phone also supports wireless charging, which is great for those who prefer to charge their phone without cables. The Samsung S23 also comes with a range of additional features that are worth mentioning. The phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is fast and accurate. The phone also has a IP68 certification, which means it is dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. The phone also has a stereo speakers which provide a great audio experience. The phone also comes with Samsung Pay, which means you can use your phone to make contactless payment. In conclusion, the Samsung S23 is a great phone that delivers on all fronts. It has a sleek and modern design and a beautiful display, a great camera and a powerful performance. The battery life is also impressive, and the phone supports fast charging and wireless charging. The phone also comes with a range of additional features that make it stand out from the competition. Overall, we highly recommend the Samsung S23 to anyone looking for a high-end phone. Thank you for watching. This is Skytech TV. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.